Hi there. Hi guys. Back with the second Sudoku. I will continue a 4 stars Sudoku in today's newspaper of Tuesday, December the 8th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a 4 star Sudoku, and this will be number 1986. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has the same amount as the previous Sudoku, also 25. Publisher, what happened with the 24 printed digits? I do not know, but it seems that the publisher now has increased from 24 to 25. So is this really a 4 stars Sudoku? I do not know. Let me see. Alright, so let's get started. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is 1. We see here 1 in this big square. No ones in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. So the 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. All right. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers. 4 is missing, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. I cannot do anything now. How about the 1 in this column, 1 in the column next? So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between, only place for a 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the column next, the third column, only 2 places for a 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And then, I cannot continue with the 6. How about in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9. So we have a 4 and a 9 in this column. So no 4 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. Here also 4 and a 9 in this row. So no 4 and a 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 and a 9 goes in these 2 boxes. It's a pair, so I mark those for you. Alright. One of the missing number here is also an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes, so the 8 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then. 1. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Alright. 4. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for a 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 7. 7. Alright. 4, 1, 5. 5, 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the first column, only place for a 3 should be there. 8716432 259 should be here. 259 259. All right. Look, in this big square, this is complicated. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. 3 of those numbers are the 8, 7, and 1. Those missing numbers cannot be in these 3 boxes. We have 8, 7, and 1 here. Those 3 missing numbers goes in these 3 missing boxes. 8, 7, and 1. 8, 7, and 1. 8, 7, and 1. So what are those other 3 numbers besides the 8, 7, and 1 and the 6, 4, 3, 2, 5, and the 9? 2, 5, 9. Let me mark those. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. All right. So we have a 9 in this row, and 9 in one of those 3 boxes in the second row. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be a 9. All right. Yes. So the 8, 7, and 1 goes in these 2 boxes. We see here 7. No 7 there, so the 7 could be here or could be there. 1, 1. Alright. Complicated. 2. Alright. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 and an 8. Yes, 2 and an 8. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. 2 and an 8 in this middle row. So no 2 and an 8 in those 2 boxes. The 2 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes. So we have a 2 and an 8 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This cannot be an 8 anymore. So the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. 8 here. 8 in this column. So the 8 goes in these 2 boxes. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? The 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9, we see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So now we have a 9 here, so this box cannot be a 2 and cannot be a 9. So 1 digit left, this should be a 5. So 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes here. 2 numbers left. This is complicated, yeah. 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 6 are missing. 3 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. 3 and a 6. All right. 7, 8, and 5 are missing here. Yes, 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. The second column's on the third column. The only 2 places for the 5 here. Oh, there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. All right. 6, 5. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, a 9 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. We have a 9 already there. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 9. Alright. So 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 8 are missing. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes here. Now we have an 8 here. So this is going to be 8 anymore. This should be a 2. This should be an 8. One box left in this row for the number 4. Yes, 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Yes. Yeah. 5. How about the 5? Cannot fill this yet. 5. 5. 5. 2, 3, and 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in 8. We see there an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 2 and the 3 are missing. We see there 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in the row above. So in that row. Only place for a 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row. 1. The 2 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 2 and 8. Can I fill this yet? 2 and 8. No! Surprising. Alright. So what number should be this one? I think number 2, because we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2. No 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. So 1 number left in this last row for the number 8. And I have marked those 2 boxes with the 8. So this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8. Alright. So now we have 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 1. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. 1 number left in the second column for the number 4, I believe. Yes, 4 is missing, and the last digit, missing digit in this big square for the number. Hey, I made a mistake. It's not the 4. It should be the 1, because we have a 4 here. This should be a 1. Yeah, mistake. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This should be a 7. 1, 1, 1. Alright. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 1. The 2 is missing. We see here 2. We see there 2. No 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 3 is missing and the 6 is missing. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this first row. For the number 7, 1 number left in the second row for the number 3. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 number left in the middle row should be for the number 5. Then 875, 875, 875. Yes, 3 missing numbers. 875 in this big square. 875. We see here 8 and a 7. So no 8 and 7 in this box. 8 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 number left should be the 5. 5 in the last column. 5 in that column. So the column between, only place for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8. So the 8 goes there. And 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 2 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 8 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow! Faster than the previous Sudoku with 3 stars. This 4 stars, is it really a 4 stars? I do not think so. Anyway, thank you for watching. I like this Sudoku. If you do so, thumbs up. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new ones to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the tectonic number 1 and a binary number 1 also. Bye bye for now. See you later.